Hi everyone. Okay, so I have an unboxing for you. This is the Stamps of Life. This is the Stamps of Life die and stamp set of the month for February. And I'm excited to see what it is. Oh, it's a bumblebee theme. How cute is this one? Oh, look at how sweet. See, I love the Stamps of Life. I love the cutesy drawings she does. So it's $25.95, I think, a month. And you get the die and the stamp set. And I just love it. So I bought that, and then, or that comes every month. And then, but I bought this separately. Oh, yep. And she had this on flash sale, and if you're a subscriber, you get a 15% or 10% discount, 10 or 15. I think it's 15, and then 20 is for the ones who get the card kit also. I don't prefer the card kit, so I only got this one. I only get the die and stamp. So cute. Isn't that cute? Can't wait to play with that. I'm going to take that with me this weekend. And then I have Felicity Jane. Felicity Jane has not had any kits in, I think, 3 months. I think 3 months. I'm not sure. But, or at least 2. And I cannot wait to open this one. So this one is, it's been a long time. So this, I don't know what is the name? Aspen. This is Aspen. So let's see what Aspen has. I didn't see any spoilers or anything, so I don't even know what it looks like. So we have chapter. There's always nothing on the back. There's always nothing. I don't think that's the right word you're supposed to use. Chapter 1. How cute. Oh, I see. So January, February. I love the colors. I don't prefer dark, but this is a pretty dark. So, hey, you know, it's perfectly fine. And you have the sticker sheet. This kit is almost $50. So it's a little bit on the higher side. And sometimes you get a lot, and sometimes you don't get a lot. So it's kind of weird. I think it's kind of weird. It's worth it. I love the exclusiveness of it. So it's fine. These are chipboard hearts, so they're not puffy. They're chipboard. So it's perfectly fine with me. But it's just interesting. So I have so many pictures of my daughter who loves to. She's always cold because she's really thin, and so she always dresses up like that, and it makes me laugh. And so it's perfect if I get back into doing traveler's notebooks. These are my favorite. Library cards are my absolute favorite thing to get. So this alone was awesome. I love ticket stubs. I love library cards. I love anything stationery because it's just my childhood all rolled into one, and it's just, you know, it's a good feeling. So this one's black, and I love that you get numbers because, you know, we need numbers. You get a stamp set with it. This is perfect. This is, you know, because I usually have a roller date stamp for my Project Life, but I haven't seen one lately that is for 2022, and so I'll probably end up just using that. These are little chipboard bits. Love those. And sometimes you get a paper clip or something in the little container, but not this time around. Doesn't seem like it. Always check your boxes when they come like this. Always check, because I have found stuff that sometimes falls underneath, and you don't want to throw that away because that's just sad. It's really, really sad. So this is the color combo this month. I think this was supposed to have come out last month for January, but they were having shipping issues because that's everybody, right? So yeah, that is a really cute one. So yeah, so that was it for Felicity Jane and the Stamps of Life, my kits for this month. All right, guys, take care. See you next month. Bye.